here I've got the OnePlus 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you the top tricks of this camera. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And now let's take a look at these settings around. We start with the left corner here, so here we can change the delay of taking picture. We can pick from 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. I'm going to click on the 3 seconds delay to show you how it works. And as you can see, the picture was taken with 3 seconds delay, and now I'm turning it off because I don't need it right now. And here we go to the flash, so here we can change the flash to auto flash, turn on flash every time we take a picture, and also turn it off. The next one here is the resolution, so here we can quickly go to the highest resolution of this camera or turn it off. And also the next one here is the super macro mode, so it gives us a quick access to the super macro mode here. And the last thing here are the filters, so here we can make our picture more beautiful before we take it. And now I'm going to show you how to zoom by just 2 fingers, like that. And also here we can change the mattering. As you can see, this is overweighted mattering to the center weighted mattering and also spot mattering. And by clicking this 2 times we get access to that kind of slider and also zoom this like that. I'm going to stay on this one. And now let's take a look at this settings bar here. Here we can change the modes of taking pictures, and we can also get access to all of this by just 1 slide up here, and we can pick. I'm going to turn back to photo mode. And now let's take a look at these settings here. They are more advanced, and here we can change the ratio. I'm going to show you the full ratio, and as you can see, this is how it looks. And also we go down, and here we can turn on the grid lines. This is a wide spectrum of grid lines, so it helps us to make better pictures and, for example, use the rule of third in photography. And I'm going to show you more of that. As you can see here, we have more of it. And also here we have the watermark, so here we can turn on and off watermark and add a name. And this is how it looks. I'm going to take a picture to show you. And as you can see here we have watermark, so this picture was shot on OnePlus by HardReset. And we go back to these settings. Here we can also turn on and turn off shutter sound and store location data. So this is useful because we can save the location of our picture, but the important thing here is that we have to be connected with the internet and turn it on location to this works. So I recommend you to do that. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.